Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this class. We are going to discuss about layer masking. So, without further ado, let's start. First, what is a layer masking? Layer masking is a reversible way to hide part of a layer. This gives you more editing flexibility than permanently erasing or deleting part of a layer. Now, you can add black, white, or gray color to a layer mask. So if you use the black on a layer mask, this hides the layer that contains the mask so you can see what is underneath that layer. Gray on the layer mask partially hides the layer that contains the mask. And while white on a layer mask shows the layer that contains the mask. There are two primary types of masks: clipping masks and layer masks. These two tools are closely related in concept, but very different in application. A layer mask is something that you apply to a given layer to control the transparency of that layer, where layer opacity controls the transparency of the entire layer at once. A mask gives you more precise controls over very specific areas, while clipping masks are very similar to layer masks. Only they use one layer to determine the transparency of another. In this scenario, you stack two layers on top of each other, with the bottom being the determining factor of the transparency of the top. So how do I make a layer mask? The first thing that we need is two layers with two images. To accomplish this, we'll need to add a mask to the fire layer. Select the fire layer and click the mask icon shown in the image below. So I have two masks there, and first click the add mask, and then the mask preview will appear. Now, with the mask selected in the layers palette, we grab a soft black brush and paint out the portions of the fire that we don't want to see. As we do this, the fire begins to disappear. To bring it back, we simply paint white. For your activity, I want you to open the activity folder from your Schoology and download the materials provided. Do the layer masking using the two images. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop your queries in our Schoology discussion board and follow us on our Zoom class. Thanks for watching.